Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing an assumptions thing. I asked you to send me your assumptions about me on Instagram and I got a lot of responses. A lot of them are like way out of left field and a lot of them are pretty accurate. So we're going to go through the most fun ones right now. Actually, Max is going to be asking them. He's going to be choosing them and I'm going to respond. So let's get started. I did not grow up vegan. I actually became vegan in 2011. I didn't eat red meat growing up, but I did eat chicken and fish. I'm not always calm. I actually am probably calm only 10% of the time. And in photos and in video, that's when I'm probably the most calm. And then as soon as the camera's not rolling, who knows? I can still be calm because oftentimes when I do things like this, it helps me put me in a better mood. I don't know. Even when I'm in a bad mood, I'm kind of calm about it though. I don't like scream and yell and like stomp around the house. I don't know. I'm not always calm though. I am usually sweet and I'm mostly sweet. And I don't think I'm super scary when I'm angry. I don't get like super angry too often. The only person who I get angry with is Max usually because we live together. And honestly, I will admit that I'm the kind of person who always seems to be in a good mood. So even if somebody is annoying me or making me angry, I'm like not confrontational, even with my family. I'm just not confrontational at all. And so I sort of hold on to how I really feel about the situation. And I just pretend like it's not happening sometimes, which I don't know, that's probably not a very healthy way to live. But y'all are pretty spot on with that. Yeah. I do hide my true emotion for this. But the thing is, I don't like post photos of myself or share when I'm in a bad mood. I usually keep that to myself. And so you could say I hide it in a way, but I wouldn't say I'm hiding it from you guys or social media. I just feel like that is not who or what Sweet Potato Soul is. But in real life, like with the people who I'm actually, I see and interact with day to day, I do tend to hide my true emotions. So yeah. I love motherhood. Yeah, totally love motherhood. I do curse. I curse and I think I'm really bad at it. I don't curse on Sweet Potato Soul because, it's not what Sweet Potato Soul is about. And I also don't curse around my family, but I curse at home with Max. I was not popular in school. I was kind of, I wasn't not popular, but I wasn't popular at all either. I wasn't the type of person who could be popular where I went to school. I just kind of had my close friends and yeah. Yes, I don't know how you call that. I used to be a chef. I am a chef. I used to work in New York City as a private chef. Oh yeah, I did. I got pregnant on our honeymoon. Which was the plan, by the way. That wasn't a mistake. That's what I wanted. I really wanted to have a baby. And so I figured, but I also really wanted to be married before we had a baby. Max kind of didn't care. Like a guy, they'd never care. But I did. I wanted to be married first. So we got married after 10 years of being together. And then after 10 years, obviously, I'm like, I think it's time to move things along. So got lucky, I got pregnant the first try on our honeymoon.
Okay, follow-up question.
Follow-up question. I don't think my preference is white men. The thing is, Max and I have been together for a long time. So if I was dating now, I don't think my preference would be white men. I'm just open. Whatever. If I were dating today, I would date whoever, whatever. I don't care. Oh, wow. I have a terrible singing voice. I really am a bad singer. I think people have told me I have a nice speaking voice, especially y'all. Y'all have told me that. And that might be where you get that idea from. But indeed, I cannot sing at all. I sing to the baby at night though, and throughout the day. But what do we sing? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Wow. I'm actually really flattered by these assumptions that I'm calm, that I'm good at balancing my life. I must be really good at, portraying calmness and balance online. But indeed, I'm not. I do the best I can. I work from home with the baby, with Max. It's very difficult to balance and like separate all of the things. Like everything is just one big blob. Thankfully, though, since we don't, share the baby on social media and on the internet, that has been helpful at creating some sort of sense of balance. Because Max and my relationship and the work we do is so much like one thing. But with the baby, she's her own thing. She's not involved in Sweet Potato Soul, which is really helpful. Mm-hmm. I am not the least organized person, I know, but I am terribly disorganized. I don't even know the term to use. I'm not organized, nor am I neat at all. I wish I was, but no. Max is, though. I do. I love animals. Yes, I've suffered with mental health. Maybe most of us have. I don't know. But I've come a long ways, for sure. No, I'm not a perfectionist. I don't think I'm a perfectionist, but thank you for saying my posts are so perfect. Um, I strive for like the best quality. So maybe I'm a perfectionist. I don't think I'm a perfectionist because I'm totally fine with seeing flaws in something and posting it anyways. I am pretty self-confident. I'm pretty self-confident. Huh? Yes. I'm sort of an only child. Not really. I have two half brothers, but I was raised as an only child because I never lived with them, just my mom. Thank you. Maybe. Not sure. Maybe. I think I've gotten a lot better as a cook for sure. Even since I've been trying to do it professionally, I have come a very, 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 very long way. I did walk out of heaven. Oh, no. No. For real. Yeah, this is an interracial relationship. Maybe they're confused about what you are. I do wish the world were vegan. I think the world would be such a better place, and we wouldn't have to worry so much, most likely, about climate change if the whole world were vegan. Yes, I'm definitely a strong personality, and I've always known my mind. I've always known who I am, though I have changed, and I've always known what I want my whole entire life. I don't always eat healthy, but I eat, compared to most people, most Americans, I always eat healthy. I like to think that I eat more like 90-10, 80-20, so most of the time very healthy, and then I give myself a little bit of, I don't say cheat days, but I don't worry about it if I eat less healthy 10 to 20% of the time. No, I haven't. I don't think I've changed much since we've moved here.
Yeah, you're wearing that LA jumpsuit.
Oh, Max says I'm wearing the LA jumpsuit, so my sense of style has changed since moving to LA. Wish that could be because all year round you can wear jumpsuits and sandals and carefree things like that. Ooh, yes. I am very much a gentle and attachment parenting mom, especially attachment parenting. She's always attached to me. Not right now. Right now she's attached to Dad. But yes, we are all under the attachment parenting mindset and approach for sure. How'd you know? I very rarely eat out actually. I mostly cook from scratch at home, which is kind of stressful. Like today we ate leftovers for lunch, but we split them and it wasn't really enough food for the two of us. And since we've been like running around and working so much, I'm still hungry. I just had a little snack, which was delicious. I'm gonna have another snack as soon as we're finished with this. But yeah, it's kind of stressful because, you know, you just wish someone would just deliver you food sometimes rather than having to prepare it yourself. But I do prepare it myself because I want to stay healthy, I want to maintain my energy levels, and I really do like cooking for myself. I actually think I like the food better when I prepare it myself. I have fewer complaints that way. But we do eat out sometimes. We get delivery or takeout and go to restaurants. Since we've had the baby, we haven't gone to the restaurants that often, so we've gotten more delivery and takeout. I'm very intentional. I am very intentional. I had to think about what that meant for a little while, which I guess is an intentional thing to do rather than just jumping into it. I don't know. But yes, I'm very intentional. I like to think through things, and I like to hi. I am intentional about the way we eat, how we raise our daughter. I mean, I'm intentional about everything. The clothes I wear, where I shop, the messages that I promote. So yes, I am very much intentional. She said, "You've said enough, Mommy." Thanks for sending me your assumptions on Instagram. I watch these videos here on YouTube and I love them. So I was really excited to make my own assumptions video. So thank you. Thank you for sending me your ideas about me. If you have any other assumptions about me and you want me to respond to them, leave them in the comment section below. I usually respond to comments within the first 24 hours, so get on it. And if you have any questions about me, leave them there too. Whatever you want to share. Also, if you have any ideas for other videos we should do here on my channel, let me know. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for leaving thumbs up. Thanks for turning on your notifications. Thank you for being part of my family. No, that's too silly. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.